welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Cora's Life. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I've been hearing all of these interesting musical notes here in the Inner Sunset District in San Francisco, and apparently throughout the news they're saying that the Golden Gate Bridge is singing for the residents around here. So we're gonna go check it out. Before we do that, I'm just gonna look up what the reasoning for these musical notes coming out of the Golden Gate Bridge is, and then I'll take you along the journey as we actually get to the bridge and see if it's actually true. So as per CNN online, it says that the reason why the musical notes are coming from the bridge is because of a project that was designed to make the bridge more aerodynamic under high wind pressures, and it is necessary to ensure the safety and structural integrity of the bridge for generations to come. So it does look like these musical tones are gonna stay for a while in the San Francisco area, so let's go check it out. I do want to check what the wind pressure is today just to make sure, because mostly these musical tones come as a result of wind. So it says today it is 60 degrees Fahrenheit in San Francisco and the wind is 25 miles per hour. So let's see if we can hear those musical tones as we go to the Golden Gate Bridge. Join me on the journey. Let's get started, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, so I made it to the Golden Gate Bridge. From this current spot, I can mostly hear the wind and the waves, so I'm going to go a little bit closer in hopes of getting that echoing sound. As I start to move closer, I can actually hear the sound a little bit stronger. It's a light, soothing, echoing sound coming and going from the Golden Gate Bridge, so you can hear it in this next clip. As you could hear, the echoing noises are pretty soothing and light. However, with the wind pressure, it increases and decreases in volume. So as the time goes on and as the project completes, we shall see how it impacts the noise amount. For now, let's go explore around Fort Point in San Francisco. This is one of my favorite viewpoints because it shows the Golden Gate Bridge, the San Francisco city, and it's also a famous place that people come for crab fishing and just fishing in general. It is still the pandemic time, so a lot of people were wearing masks and were following social distancing. To take precautions, I was also doing that. So let's go explore and see what else there is over here. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you happen to be in San Francisco, don't forget to check out this new feature of the Golden Gate Bridge. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.